Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your BitTorrent client to its default settings. These same settings will also be implemented for the Utorrent client. If you have made changes or configured the settings of your BitTorrent client and you want to revert it back to its default settings, then follow the simple step what I'm going to show you in this video. Before beginning to this video, please consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First of all, you need to close your BitTorrent client. Also close it from the tray icon from your system. Alright, now you need to go to the .exe shortcut of your BitTorrent client that can be seen on your desktop. If you don't have the .exe file of BitTorrent on your desktop, then go to Drive C. Go to Users, select user of your system. In my case it is Chief, yours may be different. Then you will see app data folder. Here make sure the hidden folders must be enabled in control panel. Then you would be able to see this app data folder because it is in hidden folder category. Go inside that folder, go to roaming folder, then go inside BitTorrent folder. Here we have to delete these two files, settings.dat and settings.dat.old. Now you need to open your BitTorrent client, bittorrent.exe. To launch this client, then go to the preferences. Then you will see all the settings are being reverted back to its default settings. Hope this video really helps you. For more tech videos, stay tuned to channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.